Good morning students. Welcome back to online class, history class. Yes, I am Arul Sarita from social department. I am going to teach history as well as civics in this year. Okay, so today which lesson we are going to discuss, do you know children? Yes, regarding the First World War. Okay, regarding the First World War. Here it is typed, World War I like that. Okay, which year it was started? In the sense 1914 it was started. Okay, 1914 it was started till 1918. Okay, so nearly 4 years. Okay, so date also it's given July 28. Yes, July 28 till November 11. Yes, till November 11. Okay, 1918. November 1918. Okay, November 1918. Okay, till that it was continued. Okay, so the World War One, how it was discussed, how it was explained, elaborated in the books, in the sense it was a turning point. Okay, turning point in the world history, like that they are telling. Okay, so which lesson, which one? World War. Yes, World War 1914. Yes, the World War was started. It was a turning point in the world history, like that they are telling. Yes, before that, I am going to explain about the 1789 incident. Okay, 1789, what happened? Okay, 1789, the political as well as social processes started in the year 1789 itself. So 1789, what was the importance? In the sense French Revolution. Yes, 1789, what was the importance, children? French Revolution. Okay, 1789 French Revolution was started. Okay, so during the time of the French Revolution, three ideas were emerged. Yes, what are the ideas? Yes, three ideas were emerged during the time of the French Revolution: liberty, equality, and fraternity. Yes, liberty, equality, and fraternity. What does mean by liberty? Yes, what is mean by liberty? Liberty in the sense freedom. Okay, liberty in the sense, what is that? Freedom. Yes. So equality. Yes, equality, what is that? In the sense all are equal before law. Yes, all are equal before law. That is equality. Fraternity, what is the meaning? Brotherhood. Yes, brotherhood. Okay, so these three ideas emerged during the time of the French Revolution. Yes, what are the ideas emerged during the time of the French Revolution, children? Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Yes, these three ideas. Liberty, what is the meaning? Freedom. Okay, equality, all are equal before law. Yes, the next one, fraternity. Fraternity in the universal brotherhood, otherwise brotherhood. Okay, so that's the meaning of that. Okay, fraternity. Okay, the next this World War, this 1914 it was started, like that I told. No, it was considered as the industrial war. Okay, so First World War was considered as the industrial war. This First World War, it affected, yes, it affected the large sections of civilian. A civilian in the sense population. Okay, it affected the many people, they were lost their lives. Okay, so at the end of the World War, what happened? In the sense the three major empires were shattered. Shattered in the sense, what is that? It was divided. Yes, it was divided. Yes, who are they? Yes, who are they? In the sense Germany. Yes, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottomans. Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottomans. So the three empires, yes, were shattered after the First World War because they got defeat from the hands of allied powers. So that's what they are given this word, shattered. Okay, divided. Okay, so the next one, what was the outcome of the First World War? What was the outcome of the First World War? What was the outcome of the First World War, children? Yes, Russian Revolution. Yes, which year Russian Revolution was occurred in history? In the sense 1917. 1917 it was occurred, Russian Revolution. In Russia, yes, during the time of the First World War, Russia was intervened. Yes, involved. Yes, intervened, otherwise involved in the First World War. During the time of that, in Russia, internal problem was there. That was considered as the Russian Revolution. Yes, Russian Revolution. Yes, a February Revolution as well as October Revolution, like that, in Russia, in the internal part of Russia, revolution was occurred. So that was considered as the Russian Revolution. Which year? In the sense 1917. Okay, so at the end of the war, what happened in the sense Treaty of Versailles? At the end of the war, in the sense at the end of the First World War, Treaty of Versailles was signed. Moreover, in order to establish a peace and security, League of Nations was established in the year 1920. Yes, so these are the things you should know, children, because this one, I am considering as an introduction. Okay, so it was a turning point in the world history, like that I said. World War is a turning point. Mainly which year? 1914. Yes, so was considered as a turning point in the world history, like that I said. Then moreover, French Revolution year I said 1789, like that I said. Moreover, during the time of the French Revolution, 3 ideas were emerged, like that I said. Is it? So what are the ideas were emerged? Liberty, equality and fraternity. Liberty in the sense freedom. Okay, equality in the sense all are equal before law. Yes, fraternity, what is the meaning? Brotherhood. Then moreover, I told the First World War was considered as the industrial war, like that I said. Is it? So it affected many people. Majority of the civilian were suffered. Yes, they were lost their lives. Then at the end of the war, the 3 major empires were shattered. Yes, who are they? Germany, yes, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottomans. Ottomans in the sense Turkey. Okay, Turkey. So these countries they got defeat from the hands of the Allied powers. So they were shattered. They were divided. Okay, so what was the outcome of the First World War? What was the outcome of the First World War? In between 1917 in Russia, internal problem was there. Yes, a February Revolution as well as October Revolution, like that. The revolution was occurred in Russia, so that was considered as the Russian Revolution. Which year? In the sense 1917. So at the end of the war, what happened? 1918, the war was ended. Okay, 1919, the Treaty of Versailles was signed. Treaty of Versailles was signed. Okay, then in the year 1920, in order to establish peace and security, League of Nations was established. Okay, so this much only, children. Okay, the next one, what are the, World War ended in the year just before I told. Is it World War, which year it was ended? In the sense 1918 it was ended. Then Treaty of Versailles 1919, 1920 League of Nations. So these are the things are there, children. The next one, we are going to learn about the causes for the World War I. This is not on the book basis, children. Generally, I am telling you can get the idea about the First World War from this video. That's all. Okay, children. So you need not learn anything, children. Please don't learn anything. Simply you have to listen. That's all. Okay. Then what are the causes for the First World War? What are the causes in the sense, children? Military alliances. The first one, military alliances. Second one, aggressive behavior of Kaiser William II. Okay, Kaiser, like that I typed, children, because here no space, that's what. So aggressive attitude of Kaiser William II. Okay, Kaiser William II, who was he? In the sense he was ruler of Germany during the time of the First World War. Okay, the next one, French interest. The next one, Balkan Wars, then immediate causes. So these are the 5 causes only I selected from the book, children. Okay, yes, what are the causes? What are the causes for the First World War? Once again, we can recollect, children. Military alliances. The next one, aggressive attitude of Kaiser William II. The next one, French interest. Okay, so French participation, what is that? Then next one, Balkan Wars. Yes, so Balkan countries, everything I will explain. Then immediate cause. Okay, so these are the causes for the First World War. Yes, otherwise World War I. Okay, yes, so I am going to explain one by one. Yes, the first one, military alliances. So what are the things are there? Yes, we can check, children. Yes, military alliances, under that para, what are the things are there in the sense? The European powers. Okay, the European powers were divided. Yes, they were divided among themselves as 2 groups. Okay, so what are the groups are there? Yes, what are the groups are there in the sense? Central powers. Yes, Central powers and Allied powers. Yes, listen carefully, children. European powers during the time of the First World War, Yes, they were divided among themselves as two powers. Okay, central powers and allied powers. Central powers and allied powers. These powers, central powers in the sense, who are they? I am going to tell children. Central powers in the sense, Germany, Austria-Hungary, yes, and Italy. Okay, Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. That's a central power. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Okay, so allied powers, who are they in the sense? In the initial stage, only two countries were there. The two countries only I am going to tell children. Okay, France, yes, France, yes, France as well as Britain. Okay, France as well as Britain. France as well as France as well as Russia. France as well as Russia. These two countries alone, in the initial stage, in the allied powers they were. Okay, then central powers, the central powers in the sense Germany, Austria-Hungary as well as Italy. Yes, these people, they were signed the Triple Alliance in the year 1882. Yes, 1882, central powers, they were signed the treaty, Triple Alliance. Number of military alliances they were signed against other group. Okay, so that's a thing. Okay, triple alliances were signed by the central powers. Okay, central powers, who are they? Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Okay, then that time, Britain was isolated. Yes, isolated in the sense, what is that? Yes, it was separated, it was alone. No one was there to join with the Britain. Okay, so Britain approached Germany. Okay, so he asked with Germany, but it was a failure one. Two times, it was a failure one. Okay, so in the meantime, Britain joined with Japan. Okay, that was called as Anglo-Japanese Alliance in the year 1902. Okay, children. Yes. Then in the year 1904, yes, in the year 1904, what happened? Yes, 1904, what happened? Britain, France and Japan signed Entente Cordiale. Yes, in the year 1904, yes, Britain, France and Japan joined Entente Cordiale. Then finally, Triple Entente, which year it was signed in the sense 1917 it was signed. Sorry, 1907 it was signed, 1907. Yes, 1907, what happened? Britain, France as well as Russia. Britain, France as well as Russia, joined in the Triple Entente, 1907. Okay, so these are the alliances. Yes, Triple Alliance, Entente Cordiale, Triple Entente. So these are the military alliances signed by the central powers as well as the allied powers. So this much only it is it is given in your book also. Okay, not in your book, children. You need not follow your book. So this is military alliances. Okay, so military alliances para, what other things are given? European powers were divided into two. Central powers as well as allied powers. Central powers, who are they? Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy. Allied powers in the sense, who are they? Just before I told, is it two countries only? Russia as well as France. So that time, who was isolated? Britain was isolated. Britain was isolated. What is the meaning? Yes, it was separated. It was alone. Okay, so Britain was isolated. Okay, so Central Powers, has signed the Triple Alliance in the year 1882. Yes, under the guidance of Bismarck. Then, in the meantime, Britain joined with Japan. Okay, so that was called as Anglo-Japanese Alliance. Anglo-Japanese Alliance in the year 1902. I did not mention here, children. 1904, Entente Cordiale. Entente Cordiale, who are they in the sense? Britain, France as well as Japan. Yes, Britain, France as well as Japan. The last one, Triple Entente. Which year it was signed? In 1907. 1907. Triple Entente was signed among Britain, France and Russia. So this much only it is given, children. Okay, the next point, aggressive attitude. Yes, aggressive attitude of Kaiser William II. This person he was an ambitious person. He was a ruler of Germany during the time of the First World War. Okay, so because of this person also was one of the reason for the First World War, like that they are telling. Okay, yes, then Kaiser William II proclaimed in the sense, what is that? Announced Yes, what was the announcement of Kaiser William II? Germany would be the leader of the world, like that he announced. Okay, Germany only can have the capacity to rule over the whole world, like that, he explained he announced, otherwise proclaimed. Okay, so moreover, this person, why he announced like that, in the sense, in order to protect Germany, yes, what he did, in the sense, he expanded his navy. Okay, he expanded his navy in order to protect Germany. Kaiser William II, he expanded his navy, as well as, so what happened actually is Britain, opposite side Britain, because Britain approached Germany 2 times, it was a failure, like that I said, is it? So Britain got much angry over Germany. Yes, mainly Kaiser William II. Okay, so this much only, children. This is the second point. The next one, what is given in the sense, under the heading of French interest. Yes, French, it is very, very interesting, children. 1871. Yes, before entering into this para, we must know about 1871. What happened? Okay, what happened during the time of the 1871, in the sense, Franco-Prussian War. Franco-Prussian War. During the time of the Franco-Prussian War, it's very, very important. 1871 timeline and all, you people can utilize this. Okay, 1871 year as well as incident. It's very, very important, children. 1871 Franco-Prussian War. Yes, so during the time of the Franco-Prussian War, France lost his territory. Yes, lost its territory. What are the territories it lost, in the sense? Alsace and Lorraine. Alsace and Lorraine. To whom it was lost, in the sense? To Germany it was lost. To Germany it was lost. So France, what it was thinking, in the sense, because of my territories only, Germany was developed, like that it was thinking. Okay, France, what he thought, what it was thought, in the sense, because of Alsace and Lorraine only, Germany got all the success, like that. So, France was waiting for a chance to get back those territories. Okay, territories in the sense, Alsace and Lorraine. Students, once again I am telling this one, very important, under the French interest I am telling, is during the time of the 1871, Franco-Prussian War was there. Okay, during the time of the Franco-Prussian War, France lost its territories. Yes, what are the territories? Alsace and Lorraine. Alsace and Lorraine. So these two territories, it was lost to Germany. Okay, so now it was thinking, because of my territories only, Germany was developed. So that's what, it was waiting for a chance to get back those territories, like that it is given. Okay, under the French interest. The next one, what is that, in the sense? Balkan Wars. Yes, Balkan Wars. See, children, Balkan Wars, before that, we must know about that. Balkan countries. Okay, so what are the Balkan countries? Are there 5 countries were considered as the Balkan countries? So what are they in the, Serbia. Okay, under the heading of Balkan Wars, I am telling, children, under the heading of Balkan Wars. So we must know about the Balkan countries. So 5 countries were considered as the Balkan countries. Yes, Serbia. Yes, Serbia. Bulgaria. Yes, Serbia. Bulgaria. Montenegro. Albania and Greece. Okay, so these are the countries. Yes, these are the countries were called as the Balkan countries. These countries, were under the control of Ottomans. Ottomans, in the sense, what is that? Turks. Ottomans, in the sense, Turkey. Okay, so these people, they were under the control of the Turkey. Yes, but finally they were declared independence. These 5 countries, they were announced their independence because of the weakness of Turkish Empire. Because of the weakness of Turkish Empire. So these are the things and all, which year it was happened, in the sense, 1912 it was happened. So automatically these 5 countries, they found out the weakness of the Turkish Empire. That's what, they were declared war on Turkey. Okay, so which year? 1912. Yes, 1912, they were declared war on Turkey. 1912. That war was called as First Balkan War. First Balkan War. Okay, so in this war, Turkey was defeated because already it was weak. So it was defeated. Okay, at the end of the war, what they did, in the sense, they were signed the treaty. Okay, so which treaty it was signed in the sense? Treaty of London. Treaty of London, it was signed which year? 1913. 1913, the Treaty of London was signed. On the basis of the treaty, Bulgaria got more territories. Okay, yes, which country among the Balkan countries? One of the country, Bulgaria. Yes, the Bulgaria got more territories. Okay, on the basis of the Treaty of London, which year it was signed? 1913 it was signed. So other countries, they got angry. Yes, so it was lead to the Second Balkan War. So other four countries, Serbia, Montenegro, Greece, Albania, those countries, they fought against Bulgaria. They were fought against Bulgaria. That was considered as the Second Balkan War. Yes, the Second Balkan War, which year? 1913. Yes, 1913. Treaty of London also 1913. Second Balkan War also 1913. Yes, so here what happened? Bulgaria was defeated. Yes, Serbia got more territories. Yes, but it was not lead to any war. Okay, Bulgaria was defeated. So, in the first Balkan War, Turkey was defeated. In the second Balkan War, who was defeated? Yeah, Bulgaria was defeated. So, these both countries, yes, they were approached whom? Germany is to regain their territories. So, it was resulted, it was one of the reason for the First World War, like that it is given. Okay, children? Yes. So, then finally, what is that in the sense? Is it under the Balkan Wars? What are they? Yes, Balkan countries, no? Serbia, Bulgaria, Montenegro, Albania, Greece. These countries, Balkan countries. Okay, these countries, they were against whom? Turkey. Yes, so Turkey was defeated during the time of the Balkan War, First Balkan War. Treaty of London was signed in the year 1913. So Bulgaria got more territories. That's what other four countries, they got angry. That's what they fought with Bulgaria. That was considered as the Second Balkan War. So Turkey as well as Bulgaria, they were approached Germany like that I am telling. Okay, children? Yes, the next one, the last one, children. Immediate cause of the World War. Yes, what was the immediate cause? Yes, immediate cause of the World War. Yes, many causes I told, military alliances like that I said, aggressive attitude of Kaiser William like that I said, French interest I told, then fourth one, Balkan wars like that I said, fifth one, immediate cause of the World War. In the lower classes you might have learned, I think so, children. Yes, in the year 1878, okay, 1878, what happened in the sense, the Congress of Berlin in the sense, Parliament of Berlin. Okay, so Berlin, German capital only, Berlin. Okay, so in the year 1878, the Congress of Berlin gave the right to Austria and Hungary to govern, okay, to rule Bosnia and Herzegovina. Okay, you can govern, you can rule over Bosnia and Herzegovina, but not to annex it like that. It gave the order, Parliament, yes, Berlin Parliament, it gave the order to Austria and Hungary. You can rule Bosnia and Herzegovina, but you should not annex it, should not capture it like that. Actually, these territories should go to Serbia. But, Congress of Berlin, what they did, they gave the right to Austria and Hungary to rule over Bosnia and Herzegovina. Yes. So, because why I am telling it should be go to, Serbia, because the population, the inhabitants, okay, they were Slavs as in Serbia. Okay. Then moreover, in the year 1908, Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina against the words of Congress of Berlin. Yes, so it created a fight between Austria and Hungary and Serbia. Austria and Hungary and Serbia. Listen, children, in 1908, Austria and Hungary, yes, what they did in the sense, Austria annexed Bosnia and Herzegovina. Okay, already, as per the Congress of Berlin, they should not annex, but they can rule. Is it? But they were annexed, so it created a rivalry, it created a problem between Austria-Hungary and Serbia. Yes, now I am coming to the point, children. In the year, June 28, Austrian Crown Prince. Okay, Austrian Crown Prince Francis Ferdinand. Yes, Austrian Crown Prince Francis Ferdinand and his wife Isabella, they were murdered by a Serbian boy. Yes, a lad, a boy in the sense a lad also we can tell, L-A-D. Okay, at Sarajevo. Yes, Sarajevo, that's a capital of Bosnia. Yes, so what happened? These people, Austrian Crown Prince as well as his wife Isabella, Francis Ferdinand and his wife Isabella, they were murdered by a Serbian boy at Sarajevo. So Austria sent an ultimatum. Yes, it sent an order to Serbia, but Serbia, neglected. Yes, so Austria declared war on Serbia on 28th July. Yes, 1 month after 28th July 1914. So Russia, support the cause of Serbia against Austria. Russia supported Serbia. So Germany declared war on Russia. Yes. So France went to help Russia. France supported Russia. So Germany declared war on France. So when Britain joined France against Germany, the World War started. Yes, World War started. This was the immediate cause. Austrian Crown Prince Francis Ferdinand and his wife Isabella were murdered by a Serbian lad. Okay, so in the next class, we can learn about how America entered into the World War, then Treaty of Versailles, as well as the League of Nations. Okay, yes, so these are the things, in the next video we can check, children. So today's class, introduction I gave, what are the causes for the First World War, everything I minimized, children. Okay, you need not learn anything, simply you can check my video, that's all. Okay, then first one I said number of alliances, they were signed, military alliances. The next one, aggressive behavior of Kaiser William. Second, like that I said. Third one, French interest. Yes, a Franco-Prussian War 1871, like that I said. Then, Balkan Wars. The last one, immediate cause. Okay, so in the next video we can check, children. Okay, the next class we can check. Thank you, children.